Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Cuisinart Co 500 Portable Tabletop Patio. The Cuisinart Tabletop Patio Heater will be a stylish addition to your outdoor entertaining space. Place in the center of your patio table for warmth while you dine with friends and family, keeping you and your guests warm while the night settles in. Lightweight and small, this heater can be easily taken anywhere and set on a table, perfect for camping and tailgating. With an 11,000 BTUs output, this heater is small but mighty and will heat up an area of about 30 square foot. The propane heater can also be connected to a 20-pound propane tank for longer use, with an optional hose/regulator. Similar to the larger patio heaters, the top plate acts as a reflector, disturbing the heat evenly. For your protection, there is a built-in anti-tilt automatic shut-off technology that will shut the unit off if it is tipped over. Another safety feature is the burner screen guard, keeping you safe from the heating element itself. Easy to use with the rotary dial adjustable heat control system, the Cuisinart Tabletop Patio Heater will be a great addition to your outdoor living space. The patio heater reflector shield redirects the heat in the direction you want. Won't waste extra heat. You will use less energy to enjoy the perfect amount of warmth. The patio heater reflector shield reduces invasion from rain and wind, extend the service life of a space heater. And the heat focusing reflector redirects heat where you want it, block heat, protects trees and walls from unwanted. You can install the patio heat focusing reflector shield easily by yourself. Just only need 3 to 5 minutes. The reflector must be attached to your patio heater only on the opposite side to the on/off heat control knob. Otherwise the knob will start melting in under 1 minute. Our second best tabletop patio heater is Sweet Heat Trifold Patio Heaters. This heat focusing reflector redirects heat where you want it, protects trees and walls from unwanted exposure, and saves on propane. Enjoy the perfect amount of warmth, while using the minimum amount of energy. Independent, third-party studies show that Sweet Heat can redirect heat and increase the heat range of your patio heater by up to 70% toward your desired direction. Sweet Heat reflectors can block heat from walls, windows, trees and other objects, which may improve safety in the areas surrounding your heater. Third-party, independent studies found that Sweet Heat can pay for itself in just one weekend by saving up to $3.75 per hour in propane while in use. The upgraded patio heater has a heating range of up to 18 feet in diameter, which can reach a stable warmth of 48,000 BTUs. The exterior uses a durable hammered black powder coated stainless steel burner and a double mantle heating net for optimal durability. Compared with other heaters, Oakmont's outdoor heaters do not require AAA batteries and do not need to be plugged in. They only need to be connected to propane to ignite, which is not only environmentally friendly but also safe. In addition, we have a rollover protection system with wheels for easy movement and storage. Third choice in our list is East Oak Portable Outdoor Heater. With 11,000 BTUs heat output and fast heating, patio heaters for outdoor use distribute the heat evenly. The tabletop heaters for the patio have a 4.5 feet diameter heat range and 360-degree direction heating, helping you to enjoy in outdoors. The outdoor heater for the patio has triple safety protection, including an anti-tilt sensor protection valve, flame-out protection, and hypoxia protection. The patio heater will be shut off automatically when tipped over at a 45-degree angle, preventing the possibility of a fire hazard. The built-in weighted ring base also makes the heater not easy to tip over when in use. The propane patio heater is easy to assemble. Just follow the instruction and you can finish it in about 30 minutes. The magnetic suction door is the first design on the market for a mini patio heater. It is convenient to place and replace the propane tank. The portable outdoor heater is the perfect solution for outdoor gatherings during autumn and winter. The gas heater for outside is easy to transport and ideal for various outdoor occasions, such as a courtyard, patio, restaurant, garden, balcony, and so on. Depending on the location, it can effectively extend the service life of outdoor patio heaters from 9 months to 12 months. East Oak Patio Heater, very suitable for outdoors, terraces, balconies, gardens, commercial cafes or restaurants. They can keep the outdoor seating area open and provide guests with a comfortable environment. At 86.6 inch tall and a 2-piece quartz glass tube heater makes a perfect complement to any patio setting. The 48,000 BTUs output not only keeps everyone warm and cozy on those chilly evenings but provides an elegant fixture for your outdoor living. Number 4 in our side is BALI Outdoors Patio Heater. This patio heater with gas safety shutoff switch, the function of switch is to cut off propane in time when heater tips over, prevent fires. Propane tabletop heater uses 1 pound propane tank, its weight only is 14 pounds, approximate assembled dimensions, 34 in HX 20 in dia. Its effective exterior design cabinet and delicate, easy to carry. ODS protection device, tabletop heaters will automatic cut out source gas when a lack of oxygen. It means you even can use it more scenes you want to use. Easy matching appearance design of hammer tone and popular bronze from tall standing patio heater can match different outdoor design. The effect of this patio heater exterior design cabinet and delicate, easy to carry. Spend less time to set up, get more time to create the life you deserve. The wheel design on one side allows you to easily move the heater to your yard, porch, garden. The variable heating control knob and start button ignition make the device easy to use. Adjust the heat of the burner to meet various heating needs. Safety auto shutoff in place for tip over protection. Constructed with high-end materials and an anti-skid design on the heater base. This heater is stable and a functional addition to any space where you need a little more heat. It will turn off if tipped over. Last in our top 5 best tabletop patio heater list is Pyramid Patio Heater. The explosion-proof tube construction ensures that you may use it with confidence, and the heater features a safety auto shutoff that will instantly turn off the warmer if the device is tilted or tipped. Propane heater with captivating glass flame tube that is guaranteed to liven up any ambience, and with 45,000 BTUs of heat output will keep you warm all night long, because it just takes a few minutes to warm up. Note that utilizes normal 20 pounds propane tank. Patio heater constructed of high-quality aluminum and sturdy stainless steel. Outdoor heaters are ideal for garden activities, such as using a propane heater on the patio at night, in the chilly winter, in the park, on a coffee table in the street, or when fishing, drinking with friends, or throwing a party. It is ideal for 4 to 5 people to sit around the tabletop heater and enjoy your heating while spending time together. In a hammered bronze finish, it is portable and attractive. This heater is ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. There are no scents, chemicals, or fumes produced by this electric patio heater. Wind has no effect on the high-quality infrared heating. Halogen tube technology, which is industry-leading, heats effectively and has a lifespan of up to 8,000 hours. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.